Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Tinder app as you see, and you can click. Here in this page of app info you click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.